In this section, let's look at how we can manage access for individual users using role-based access control in CloudPoint. To begin with, let's create a user for whom we will then manage particular access. So create a new user, you provide the user's email address, the user's name, and last name. That user is now getting created. Once the user or users are available, I can go to the new role screen and I can specify a name for the role. So let's say I say asset admin. I choose the user or users who have been assigned to this particular role. I choose the permissions. In this particular example, I'm going to allow the user to choose a snapshot policy, and I can allow the user to choose and report on those uh, snapshots, but I don't want the user to manage any other user or manage configurations, any of those other activities. And now I'm going to give access to the user to different assets that I have in this. So let's look at some of the assets. We scroll down. I have a set of disks that I want the user to have access to, and I have a set of VMs that I want the user to have access to. So you can select one or more. A role, in effect, is a combination of the users who are in that role, the permissions that the role has granted to those users, and the assets that they have control over. I can say save, and that creates an asset admin role who can now have access to the assets that they've been granted permissions on, and they can manage those assets in the way they would like to.